And then there's like the red flag, which is essentially when, at this day and age, when you go below $2,000 a month, then it starts to be a little bit risky, because then they most likely only have one data provider, which is typically going to be Apollo or ZoomInfo. Probably not ZoomInfo because that's pretty expensive, but one of these data providers, where those are the contacts in general that are the easiest to find, the easiest lists to build. So they also get the most amount of emails. So typically those are also the ones that like perform the worst, essentially, unless they are a unicorn and they've built their own tools or whatever it might be. Or they just put very cheap infrastructure, so very cheap email accounts, typically like SMTP email accounts or domains. And that is, we test that as well, but it just doesn't compete with Google Workspace or Outlook Azure or these types of actual mailboxes that most businesses will use.